Hello everyone, welcome to Drishti IAS. My name is Saloni Nankyolier, and in this video we'll be discussing the Nobel Prize in Physiology, which has very recently been announced. We will see who will be presented with this award and what was their discovery. So every year these Nobel Prizes are announced in the month of October and they are presented on the 10th of December, because this is the death anniversary of Alfred Nobel. And this year's Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine will be presented to three people. Mary E. Brunkow, Institute of Systems Biology, Seattle, USA, Fred Ramsdell, Sonoma Biotherapeutics, San Francisco, USA, and Shimon Sakaguchi, Osaka University, Osaka, Japan. So these are the three people who will be presented with this year's Nobel Prize in Medicine or Physiology. And what was their discovery? The discovery was concerning peripheral immune tolerance. Peripheral immune tolerance. Now let's talk about this discovery in detail. So the discovery is around the immune system. Our bodies have an immune system. And what is the function of the immune system? It is to provide immunity. Immunity from these foreign disease-causing pathogens or microorganisms. So till the time our immune system is attacking these foreign pathogens to protect us from contracting these diseases, everything is working fine, everything is working normally. But sometimes what happens, our immune system, instead of attacking the foreign pathogens, it starts attacking its own healthy cells. It starts attacking the healthy cells of the body. And then we contract something which is known as an autoimmune disorder or autoimmune diseases. So autoimmune diseases happen when our own immune system starts attacking the healthy cells of the body. So what did these people discover? These scientists, they actually discovered that certain cells are required. Regulatory T cells are required for the prevention of these autoimmune disorders. So these regulatory T cells or Tregs is actually like a natural braking system which is going to prevent the immune system from attacking body's own healthy cells. So in order to autoimmune diseases to not happen, we need regulatory T cells, the presence of regulatory T cells and the proper functioning of these regulatory T cells to happen. And these T cells can function properly if they have the presence of a key gene. And that gene is FOXP3. So when this gene is present in the body, it basically allows these regulatory T cells to function properly. And when these regulatory T cells function properly, our immune system does not attack our own healthy cells. So it's like an entire ecosystem. And these scientists, they discovered this. They discovered the regulatory T cells or Tregs. That is why this discovery becomes very important. And now that we know that the presence of T cells is required for avoiding these autoimmune disorders to happen, we can actually diagnose these diseases better, and then we can also look for its cure. We can also look for a cure of all these autoimmune disorders, because we know that the presence of these regulatory T cells is going to stop autoimmune diseases from happening. So that was all for today's video. That is the reason, the discovery of this thing is the reason that these three scientists will be presented with this year's Nobel Prize in Medicine or Physiology. So I hope you enjoyed the discussion. Now let us practice a question for prelims. The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2025 was awarded for the discovery of which of the following? A. CRISPR gene editing technology. B. Role of regulatory T cells in controlling immune responses. C. Development of mRNA vaccines. Or D. Discovery of insulin. Select the correct statement. Please provide your answers in the comment section and we will meet in a new video.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.